The term, bedroom eyes, has often been bandied about in romantic novels, pop songs, and evening soirees. But what exactly are these elusive, bedroom eyes? More importantly, are they genuinely a sign of attraction? In the intricate dance of human relationships, non-verbal cues often say more than words. This article seeks to decode the mystery of bedroom eyes and understand its place in the nuanced world of human attraction. There's an old saying that the eyes are the window to the soul. If that's the case, then surely the way one looks at another, especially in a romantic context, holds layers of meaning. For those who have ever felt an inexplicable pull towards someone because of their gaze, understanding the science and psychology behind this phenomenon can be both enlightening and empowering. Before delving deeper, let's first define the term. Bedroom eyes generally refer to a heavy-lidded, sultry gaze that exudes a certain intensity and intimacy. This look is often characterized by slightly drooping eyelids and an unbroken, intense gaze. As with many aspects of human behavior, several factors come into play when interpreting and understanding bedroom eyes. While it's tempting to rely on popular culture's interpretation, it's crucial to have a well-rounded view that encompasses scientific research, expert opinions, and cultural contexts. Before we embark on this journey of understanding, let's remember that while certain signs might point towards attraction, human emotions and intentions are multifaceted. Bedroom eyes, as we will discover, are just one piece of the puzzle. So, let's plunge into the depths of this intriguing subject and unearth the truths, myths, and everything in between. The science of attraction, more than meets the eye. Human beings are biologically wired to seek out partners. Over centuries, we've evolved various cues and signals to express and gauge interest. While verbal communication is essential, a significant part of human interaction happens non-verbally. This is where the concept of bedroom eyes comes into play. According to a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, prolonged eye contact can increase feelings of passionate love between two individuals. This research suggests that when someone gazes intently, it might be a sign of deep emotional connection or interest. Another interesting observation from the world of evolutionary psychology is the idea that dilated pupils, a feature often seen in bedroom eyes, are an indication of attraction. Pupils tend to expand when we see something stimulating or when we are in low light. Historically, seeing someone with dilated pupils in broad daylight could indicate heightened interest or arousal. Dr. Paul Ekman, a pioneer in the study of emotions and facial expressions, posits that certain facial cues are universal across cultures. While the concept of bedroom eyes hasn't been explicitly studied in this context, the idea that our facial expressions carry universal meanings lends weight to the idea that such a gaze might indeed be a sign of attraction. However, not all experts agree unanimously. Some believe that while bedroom eyes might indicate interest or arousal, it doesn't always equate to romantic attraction. It could be a sign of curiosity, intrigue, or even mere fatigue. Therefore, while science provides some insights into the phenomenon, it's essential to approach the topic with an open mind and an understanding of individual variability. Cultural context. Interpreting the gaze across the globe. While the biological underpinnings of attraction might be universal, the way they manifest and are interpreted can vary widely across cultures. In some societies, direct eye contact is seen as a sign of confidence and interest. In others, it could be considered rude or confrontational. The concept of bedroom eyes, too, is subjected to cultural interpretations. In Western cultures, for instance, a sultry, lingering gaze is often linked with romantic or sexual interest. Popular media, from movies to advertisements, reinforces this notion, painting the bedroom-eyed individual as someone who's both desirable and desiring. Contrast this with certain Asian cultures, where direct, prolonged eye contact might be avoided in many social situations to maintain respect and hierarchy. In such contexts, interpreting bedroom eyes becomes even more complex, as the very act of holding someone's gaze carries multiple layers of meaning. Furthermore, different cultures have varied thresholds for personal space and intimacy. What might be seen as an intimate gaze in one culture might be considered casual in another. It's always important to contextualize the behavior within the individual's cultural and social milieu. Thus, while bedroom eyes might be a universally recognized phenomenon, their interpretation can be as varied as the cultures of the world. It's always prudent to be sensitive to cultural nuances when deciphering such nonverbal cues. The takeaway here is that while certain signs might point towards attraction, the meaning of bedroom eyes can be multifaceted and deeply rooted in cultural contexts. Expert opinions. Navigating the world of nonverbal cues. The world of relationships and attraction is vast and varied. To gain a more holistic understanding of bedroom eyes and their place in the dance of attraction, we turn to expert opinions in the field. Dr. Susan Quilliam, a relationship psychologist, states, "While the eyes can be a window to our soul and emotions, it's essential to remember that one singular sign doesn't determine attraction. Bedroom eyes might indicate interest, but it's always important to consider the broader context." Another renowned psychologist, Dr. Albert Mehrabian, in his research on nonverbal communication, emphasizes the significance of congruence. That is, for a message to be believed, verbal, vocal, and facial cues should be aligned. In the context of bedroom eyes, if someone is giving you that sultry gaze but their words and tone suggest otherwise, it might be a sign to tread with caution. The importance of context is also echoed by body language expert, Judy James. She suggests, the key to understanding nonverbal cues, like bedroom eyes, lies in the context. If someone is gazing intently at you while engaging in deep, meaningful conversation, the chances are higher that it's a sign of attraction. On the other hand, if the gaze is out of context or seems forced, it might not carry the same weight. Interestingly, some experts highlight that bedroom eyes could also be a tool of manipulation. Like any form of nonverbal communication, they can be used intentionally to achieve a particular reaction or result. It's always essential to trust one's intuition and gut feeling when interpreting such signals. The consensus among experts is that while bedroom eyes can be a potent sign of attraction, it's vital to consider the broader picture, context, and congruence of signals. The journey of understanding bedroom eyes is intriguing and multifaceted. But like any journey, it's about the exploration, the insights gained, and the nuances appreciated. Bedroom eyes might be a piece of the attraction puzzle, but they are just that, a piece. True connection, understanding, and attraction lie in the myriad of cues, both verbal and nonverbal, that humans share with each other. Practical implications. Bedroom eyes in today's world. In our fast-paced, digitally driven world, the importance of genuine human connection is often underscored. The art of reading and interpreting nonverbal cues, such as bedroom eyes, has its place in this landscape. From dating apps to virtual meetings, understanding these cues can add depth to our interactions. Consider online dating, for instance. In a realm where physical interactions are delayed, the first real-life meeting becomes even more significant. Here, being adept at reading signals like bedroom eyes can offer insights into the other person's interest and intentions. However, it's essential to approach these interpretations with caution. In an age of curated online personas, there's always a risk of misreading or misinterpreting signals. As with anything, context is crucial. A sultry gaze during a romantic dinner date might mean something entirely different from a similar look in a professional setting. The modern world, with its emphasis on instant gratification, can sometimes blur the lines of genuine connection. In such a landscape, it's essential to trust one's intuition and judgment, while also being open to the multifaceted nature of human interaction. Furthermore, as society becomes increasingly global, understanding the cultural nuances associated with cues like bedroom eyes becomes paramount. What's seen as a sign of attraction in one culture might not hold the same meaning in another. Being culturally sensitive and aware can make a world of difference in accurately gauging and responding to such signals. In essence, while the concept of bedroom eyes is as old as time, its interpretation and implications continue to evolve in our ever-changing world. Conclusion. Decoding the gaze and beyond. As we draw this exploration to a close, it's clear that the concept of bedroom eyes is as layered and complex as human emotions themselves. From the hard wiring of our biology to the nuances of cultural interpretation, many factors play into how we perceive and interpret this potent gaze. Science offers some insights, suggesting that prolonged eye contact and features associated with bedroom eyes, like dilated pupils, can indeed be indicators of interest and attraction. However, the world of relationships and human interaction is rarely black and white. As highlighted by experts in the field, context, congruence, and broader cues all play a pivotal role in understanding the message behind the gaze. Ultimately, while bedroom eyes can be a compelling sign of attraction, true connection goes beyond fleeting gazes. It's about mutual respect, understanding, and the myriad of shared experiences that bind individuals together. As with any non-verbal cue, it's essential to tread with both curiosity and caution, always seeking a deeper understanding while respecting the multifaceted nature of human emotions and intentions. The allure of the bedroom eyes will continue to captivate poets, songwriters, and romantics alike. But for those seeking a deeper understanding, the journey of exploration offers both insights and intrigue. It's a reminder that in the dance of human relationships, every gaze, gesture, and word carries layers of meaning, waiting to be decoded and appreciated. As we navigate our relationships and interactions, let's cherish the beauty of genuine connection, the thrill of mutual attraction, and the joy of understanding and being understood in return.